Hey, how you doing there? Welcome back to the channel. Good to see you, returning to Earth TV. Hey, I wanted to let you folks know that things are changing around here. Gonna start sharing more kind of adventure stories with you guys and more sort of skills about being out in nature and taking you along on some trips. So the first one is this trip that I just took about a week and a half ago up to a volcano here in the Pacific Northwest. It was a gorgeous day and we had some really nice snow, had a grand adventure. So I want to share some of that with you guys and kind of get into the power of actually being there and doing something out there, as well as stopping and being mindful and doing that important work as well. But I also want to share the logistics of getting out there. So that's what I'm going to be doing with the channel in the next couple videos, just kind of see how it goes. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. If you feel like you like those or not, that'd be great to hear. Thanks again for being here. Let's go ski up this volcano. We're going to start the day off with a little bulletproof coffee, which is going to be made right in here. That's the coconut oil and the cocoa right there, or cacao, some protein powder, a egg is going in there, and some coffee, which is getting ready right now over here. Boiling some water to put into the AeroPress to make some coffee. And then I think I'm gonna make a smoothie, and already made lunch, which is right in here behind the Brussels sprouts, which is for breakfast. Those are burritos for the day of skiing and climbing mountains. We're gonna put that in the backpack, which is right here. So that's kind of the word. I found my jacket yesterday, which was really awesome. I thought I lost this one. It's one of my favorite pieces of gear, the Houdini. Whoops, excuse me. Anyway, that's what's happening. Looks like the water is boiling. Let's take a look in there. Yep, sure enough. All right, that means it's time to make the coffee. All right. All right, we're like halfway up the skin track, maybe a quarter of the way up the skin track. And that is another mountain over there that we've actually skied up before. There's the moon up there. Woo! There goes Pat and Devlin skiing off. I better go catch them. Yeah. There it is, skiing through the forest, breathing some really good air. I think about that kind of stuff sometimes out here, like how clean the air is. It's pretty clean. All these guys making oxygen. Let's not forget about all the uniquely shaped snowflakes. Every one of them, its own individual.
Pretty variable. Nice. Yeah.
All right, here we are. We're at the, there's a section here we're gonna have to go up with our boots. So we call this booting up. So we're gonna boot up. We're gonna put our boots on and we're gonna go up that.
Maybe we should have a demonstration just so like everybody knows what that is, because
It's a good idea.
it seems kind of complicated just to explain it.
Yeah, maybe Devlin is our man. Looks like he's got his boots on.
First step is taking off.
Gotta take those off first. Let's get a quick little pano here. Just buzz around. What do we got? Ah, some clouds and mountains. Somewhere in the Pacific Northwest.
Undisclosed location.
Can't really share any more information than that. All right. There he goes. Booting. Top of the boot pack.
Yeah.
What do you think, Pat? How's it look up there?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Devlin, what do you see out here?
Oh, it's a beautiful rainbow. Look over here.
Rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow alert.
Cloud bow?
Kind of faint, but
Mist
right
bow.
there. There's a big one.
Oh yeah, look at that right there.
And there too, yeah.
It's like we're in an airplane. Only we're not.
And there's a
Whoa, serious striations. Those are cool looking.
that cross thing that comes across. That's either a vein or what's called an intrusive dike,
Uh-huh.
which is a volcanic feature when hot magma goes through another layer of rock that's already been cooled and kind of cuts across it. It intrudes into that layer.
Nice.
That'd be what we're seeing there.
Be careful now, Dev. Out there on the edge. Woo! Beautiful.
What was that? Life is either daring adventure, nothing at all?
Yeah, that's it. Life is a daring adventure or nothing.
That was pretty amazing.
We're in the middle of a atmospheric experience.
Optical phenomena.
I wonder if
Phenomena.
like,
We're in a
seeing it 'cause
sundog.
it's here, or if
Middle of a round sundog.
it's just like if we'll see it when we're up there. I don't know. I'm so ready to feel and squeal. I know.
Peel and squeal. It's almost time.
I'm enjoying the fun. I am too. I just the scenery is so good. Yeah.
The track's lower.
I wonder if they ski the north. I didn't see any tracks in the.
I don't think so, yeah. Cool, so we good? I'm gonna go straight up and then kind of meander until I get into the gully.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we might want to like not gain too much elevation so we're not walking through the rocks.
Yep.
I mean, I don't know. We could probably make our way up to those rocks though without too much difficulty.
All right, we're getting to the top of the run here. Still on the boot pack. I actually just took a little slide. Was able to arrest, which was good. Pretty good steps. Definitely want to have them though, because you don't want to go down there.
Yeah.
Ow, my toes kind of hurt from kicking into that.
Yeah. I think we can see Union Peak now. A little pointy bump up in the background behind whatever that is.
My friends are over at Crater right now.
Oh yeah, some people skiing over there.
I hope they made it up.
Pat and Devlin, they're gonna do the final ascent. Me, I'm staying here.
Wish us luck, man.
Good luck. Good luck, men.
Howling storm.
And I will sit here at lunch and enjoy my tea.
Warming up nicely, actually.
It's quite beautiful. I mean, just look at the way the clouds are mixing with each other down there. the alchemy of the high mountains, the alchemy of volcanoes. Now apparently these volcanoes, all of this rock around here was created, the tuff was created by ash plumes that were shot into the air by Mount Mazama, which is used to be over there, but it's not there anymore because it blew up 7,000 years ago and spewed rock and ash and material all over the place. So all this landscape is covered in Mount Mazama ashes. There goes our men. Beautiful up here, just incredible. Kind of hard to come up with some words. Sitting here kind of wondering about words, if they really work for things like this. The sun is incredibly hot. It feels amazing. He's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, making it look real good. Ow! Nice, man.
Whether it goes through.
Right.
There's like this little elevator shaft looking
Ooh,
little hole.
that sounds exciting.
And narrow and quite possibly ending in a cliff.
That would be difficult. Right there? Hey, rock? Gotcha. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Oh my goodness. Go Speed Racer. Nice catch. Poetry, bro. we in the creek? Back on the trail, yeah. Heading back to the car. Here we are back at the car. We made it. So exciting.
We did it.
How was it, Devlin?
It was quite enjoyable. Yes.
How about you, Pat?
It was quite enjoyable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was
Awesome.
a gorgeous day.
Awesome.
It was just kind of inherently a sweet place to be.
Yeah.
You know, almost any day. Good company.
Yeah. Yeah. Good company. Beautiful place.
Yeah. Snow is not half bad.
The ethers were floating around the mountains. We got to see them from high above.
There's pixie dust.
The pixie dust.
Oh, there was pixie dust.
There was pixie dust. There's still some on the lens. All right. Well, that's all we have.